Hello friend, this is Jimmy from Can Have an Immigration Canada. This is a very big update for international students who are planning to come to Quebec for the province of Quebec for their international higher studies. So Quebec has suspended CAQ application for the 10 designated learning institution. Means 10 colleges are not eligible now. CAQ applications are suspended for institutions that are being investigated or audited by the Quebec Ministry of Higher Education. Quebec Ministry of Immigration and Integration will not accept new certificate acceptance of Quebec or QAC or CAQ application from the students who are going to these 10 designated learning institutions that are under investigation starting December 30th. CAQs are mostly required by most of the individuals who want to study in Quebec. Applications submitted before this date but are still in processing will also be suspended. The decision will be in effect until March 31st of this year 2021. I will also post the name of the colleges in the description below. The following 10 DLIs or designated learning institutions are under investigation: M College of Canada, Matrix College of Management, Technology and Healthcare, Canada College INC, Herzing College Institute, CDE College, Montreal College of Information Technology, Institut Supérieur d'Informatique, ISI, Universal College, Gatineau Campus, College CDI, Montreal campus of CEGEP. So all these names, so there are some of them are hard for me also to pronounce because I'm not a French speaker. But I'll post those names under the description so you guys can check if your application is in any of those colleges. These institutions are under investigation for their recruitment strategy. Questionable recruitment practices for the international student at some education institution have come to light in the recent weeks. This is the what I'm reading right now is from the Ministry of Higher Education in Quebec. In order to preserve the integrity of the foreign student program, it has been decided to suspend the receipt and processing of application for temporary selection for studies submitted by foreign national admitted or enrolled in one of the education institutions subject to an audit or investigation by the Ministry of Higher Education. So all these colleges, some of the malpractices have been found, so that's why they are going to suspend the acceptance and releasing of the CAQ applications for the student who are going to study in these 10 colleges. So this is a very big news at this moment from Quebec. Quebec is very strict in these kind of things. If something is going wrong, they took action pretty fast and very hard. Quebec has more latitude than any other province or territory in Canada with respect to enabling private institution or the education institution to be DLIs. This is due to the Quebec's special status within Canada. As a result, with few exceptions, the overwhelming majority of private institutions that are DLIs are found in Quebec. So now let's see what will be the result of this audit and what will be the proper investigation coming out to, and what will be the end for these 10 institutions, or there will be more institutions that will be added into this category. So that time will tell us, but this is a current news, so I thought I would share it with you guys. So keep listening to our channel, keep viewing the latest videos and updates about Canadian immigration, anything from study visa, from immigration, citizenship, PR, work visa, LMIAs. Our company does it all, and we keep you guys updated at all the time. Whenever there is a breaking news or something new comes up, I'll keep you guys updated. Till then, you guys all have a good day. Thank you.